Bonjour, Codebar back.
Morning everyone. So I'm on my way to a conference and I'll be telling you guys more soon. Hi guys, I think I'm almost close by. Today I'm actually taking part to my first unconference. So this is very different from the basic conferences because basically what happens is that you need to kind of select topics that you want to actually talk about, and we have like speakers that are going to they are going to volunteer to lead the sessions, and everyone can kind of chip in, give their contribution as well. And you basically like plan all the sessions that you're going to kind of talk about during the day, and when you come in you don't know what the sessions are going to be about, and I think that's the fun of it.
The underwater rugby talk. Was anyone here? It still stays in my memory as like one of the most bonkers but best lightning talks. And basically she worked at Google, didn't she? And she was part of an underwater rugby team in London, and she basically needed to recruit new players.
And do we know where?
Like small, you can't really notice it as well, but yeah. So yeah, pretty much that's how it works. Oh nice. Wait, are you still part of Codebar events right now? Oh okay.
Depends. I know there's some happens in Google Headquarter.
Yeah.
Just like happens.
Yeah.
So how did you guys prepare for the assessment stages?
But one thing I would say is like I feel like you need to use the fact that you're also like a minority, to be fair. Like to get into tech. I'll be real with you. No, because you need to know like what like companies are actually hiring just for diversity, because that will kind of scout you down instead. Because if you apply like with a lot of people, right, there's kind of like a low chance of getting into tech as well. So I would say that to look for companies that are mainly like targeted to minorities, to bring minority into like the work environment, because there's also like a gap in that as well. So if you can set up like, I don't know, agencies that basically scout for just diversity.
I didn't know that existed.
So right now I'm going into my first session at Aladdin setting, and this is actually a session for I think junior AI. I'll put the title for you guys in order to know what the session is about. Let's go. So how do you feel about giving a speech?
Oh, awesome. It's a lovely opportunity to share the journey that I've done in tech and see the face of the people who share that idea with me and see them doing like, yes, that's true. Because it's hard standout, right? The other thing that I'm doing right now, and I'm super engaged with it, is solve a lead code. Some of you know lead codes, algorithms. Okay, I'm solving one each day since the first of the year.
But funny enough, I actually like resonate with it as well. How you mentioned like you can use it as a teacher instead of like just like depending on it as well. I feel like that was like very reasonable.
That's
for
the
me.
key, I think, because it's so easy to just take AI to help yourself, but if you take the harder path, which is to learn from AI, you are going to get the best result always.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much for sharing.
Why did you come to Codebar?
Okay.
What's your favorite session so far?
My favourite session, I know it would sound a bit self-centered, but I've liked my session, the one I gave. I also liked the one afterwards, which was about diversity.
Oh, nice. I liked your session about AWS, and I didn't know that when you shut down an instance, it can actually affect your IP address. So I feel like that was, I mean, for me, it was very refreshing to actually know what's going on, like in the background. So yeah, thank you so much for sharing. What motivated you to start Codebar?
So I was tired of being one of the only women in the tech team, so that's why Codebar started, because we wanted more diversity in tech. Yeah. And we wanted to create a safe space for people to come, learn to code, and also meet other people as well that wanted the same thing.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope everyone is enjoying the vlog so far. We've done 3 sessions, Junior vs AI. The other one was AWS IP address change, and the third one was freelance. And I've enjoyed every single session I've went. I felt that it's been very, very informative, and just like people sharing the knowledge, like you learn so much, and then you also learn from the question people ask as well. And it's been an amazing experience.
It's on my GitHub repo, but for the sake of time, I did it already. I already downloaded the packages. So keep CTL, and then I'll do config.
I've just finished another session, and this was a beginner-friendly workshop on Kubernetes and GitOps. I mean, it was very insightful, but I literally missed the first, I think, 10 minutes, which was the introductory session, because I was looking for the room. But pretty much I literally learned a lot, because I did it at my previous job. I was trying to kind of relate what she was saying while we did certain things on the deployment file, and yeah, and honestly it was very informative. This is the last session for today, so this is the 4th session, I guess, and then we are going to have lightning talks afterwards, and we are going to call it a day pretty much. What was your favorite session today?
I really like the junior versus AI.
Yay, same. I actually felt that was very interactive, and also it was something that I could relate as well. I feel like you could relate to it.
Yeah, I feel like the journey when people try to find a job after ChatGPT and everything, I think community is very important. I think that's the main message from that talk as well.
I've come to many, so it's nice to see recurring faces. I hope you've enjoyed all the sessions today that have been happening. Really sorry if there was a clash of 2 happening at the same time and you couldn't go to both. Yeah, really sorry. We don't do that at Codebar Festival in March. The other big event that we do in March has just 1 track, and all the sessions are recorded. They're uploaded to our YouTube, so if you miss it, you can watch it back and you won't have this problem, so don't worry. It's just nice to do 2 different types of events.
Computers, flashing light boxes, and life.
In a fun way.
Career, computers,
In a safe environment.
computers, career.
Showing life, showing life, learning about life in a fun way, learning about life.
Okay, wait, share what we know about computers.
It's because inside of every little particle that we are built with, it's not just at a cellular level in this. Every single particle in this universe has a connection to every other single particle. So as we're in this room together, we're family, all right? Why does Codebar work like this? It's because literally, even more small than at the cellular level, at a particle level, we are family, and we can talk about stuff that is creative. Anyway, that's why you can stay young if you're a programmer. That's what God does, right? And this, if you want to believe in God. Whatever creator is a programmer that built us this environment as a classroom to learn within. That's why he's young, is what I'd like to say.